Thank you for joining us here on Hub Happenings. I'm Kwani Lunis.
I'm Hannah Donnelly, and this past weekend kicked off summer cookout season. So if you plan on hosting a little bit more and you need to freshen up some of those menu items, listen up.
So Chef Sierra Erickson from Bosse is walking us through how to make her delicious roasted cauliflower salad in this week's Dish on a Dime, and it'll only cost you about $15.
Hi, I'm Sierra Erickson, and I'm the executive chef over at Bosse. Today we're going to be making a roasted cauliflower and arugula salad. We're going to start by cutting the cauliflower into larger pieces. We don't want to cut it too small because we do want that texture with the arugula in the salad. So 1 head of cauliflower is all you really need. With the arugula, it makes a salad that can feed around 4 to 6 people. So next we're just going to take the olive oil, give it a good drizzle, some salt, and be generous with your salt. Cauliflower that we are cutting it into bigger pieces does need the extra seasoning. We're gonna add a little more olive oil, looks a little dry. You do want it to have that moisture, that way it doesn't burn in the oven. You want it to be nicely coated. So we're just gonna lay that flat on the sheet tray. Give it a little shake, that way nothing is stacked. So we're gonna throw this sheet tray in the oven for about 12 to 15 minutes at 375 degrees, just until it's tender with a fork. Now that the cauliflower is done, it's time to plate. So first, we're gonna take hummus. I really like roasted red pepper hummus. You can choose whatever flavor you like the most at home. We're gonna put all of that down below on the bottom of the plate. We're gonna make a nice well. That way all the cauliflower can sit on top of it. And as you take bites, it's all even. Next, we're gonna take some of the cauliflower. We're gonna put that down. And what we're gonna do is layer this a little bit with the arugula and throw all the dressing on top. So you can make this as big or as little as you want. So if you want to do a bigger portion, it'd be great as a vegetarian entree, great for sharing if you're gonna stack it up like me. If you want to make it a little smaller, it'd be great as a little starter salad or side dish with any protein. So now that that's all on there, we're gonna add some pomegranate seeds for that sweet tart. That's gonna go so nice with the smoky hummus and the spice on the cauliflower. We're gonna add some fresh lemon juice right over the top. A nice drizzle of olive oil. And then we're just gonna finish with a little bit of torn mint. And this can feed up to 4 to 6 people for around $15.
Versatility there. You can use it as an appetizer, vegetarian entree.
That'd be a good lunch. I'm hungry.
Hey. All right, guys, for the recipe recap, you can scan the QR code on your screen right now. It'll bring you to our Hub Happenings page where you can find a lot of that and a lot of other content.
And don't forget to watch us or join us at 11:30 each morning for the Hub Today. Have a great night, everyone.
We'll see you tomorrow.